In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam not launching games if you click play and nothing happens, or the game window briefly appears and then closes. Don't worry. We'll walk through a quick, reliable sequence to get you back in-game with minimal hassle. We'll start with the fastest fix, restarting everything. This means fully closing Steam, rebooting your computer, and then trying again. First, make sure Steam is completely shut down. Don't just close the window. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S key together. In the Processes tab, find Steam and any related background items and click End Task to ensure nothing is lingering. Once Steam is closed, restart your PC. A clean restart clears out stuck background services, driver hiccups, and temporary locks that can block games from launching. When your system comes back up, open Steam, let it settle for a moment if it needs to update, and then try launching the game again. This simple cycle often resolves the issue right away. If the game still won't start, run Steam as an administrator. This gives Steam the elevated permissions it may need to access protected folders, update components, or initialize anti-cheat systems used by many titles. To do this, right-click the Steam shortcut or the Steam app in your Start menu and select Run as Administrator. Approve the prompt, then open your library and try launching the game once more. If this works, you can consider setting Steam to always run with admin privileges later. But for now, it's just a quick test to unlock any permission-related roadblocks. If you're still stuck, verify the integrity of the game files. Corrupted or missing files are a common reason games refuse to launch. In Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, choose Properties, and open the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan what's installed and automatically re-download anything that's broken or missing. This process can take a few minutes depending on the game size and your drive speed, and it's normal for a small number of files to reacquire. If you use mods, be aware that verification may overwrite certain modified files, so consider that before you run it. After verification completes, try launching the game again. In most cases, one of these three actions, restarting everything, running Steam as admin, or verifying files, resolves the problem. Follow them in order, take your time with each step, and you should be back to playing without further issues.